In this video, I'll be showing you how to attach photos to email on Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on literally any Android you have, whether you're on Samsung, Huawei, Google, or anything like that. So all you want to do is go over to your email application, but for my example, we're going to be using Gmail. And then all you want to do is on the bottom right, you're going to go ahead and press Compose. Once you go ahead and click on that, select whoever you want to send it to and everything, and then add a subject. You can add a, the main headlines or anything like that. And then on the top right, go ahead and click on that paperclip icon. And it's going to ask you what you want to send, like photos, something from your camera if you want to take a picture, files, or drive. So we're going to go ahead and select photos right there. I can then select any image or video that I want. So let's just say I want to go ahead and select this one. Go ahead and press done, and it's going to be adding right here. And what I can also do is I can just go ahead and take a image right now. So let's just say I want to go ahead and take this one because we want to attach an image. Go over to the email again, go to photos, attach that image, press done, and then that image is going to be attached. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.